Okay, so I have nothing to do, so I thought I would vlog. Today's Friday. I just got back from class, and then I came home and I ate and I took a nap, and then I woke up and went to the gym. Now I'm showered. Now I'm gonna make me something to eat. Drake's album just came out. Pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. And I need to clean my room because it is a mess. Just crap all over the place. Let's go and set you guys up. Oh, and the kitchen's a mess too, but I ain't trying to deal with all these problems. Just a few. Oh, this is not good, lady. This is decent. Oh. Oh, let me show you my OOTD. Bam. 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 That's it. So this is just sauteed shrimp with jalapenos and seasonings and whatnot. Pop it in the microwave. And Gatorade. Alright, so I know this looks crazy, but it's shrimp under there with a handful of spinach and some minute rice. After my workout with the Gatorade and probably some more water. And that is a quick little post-workout meal. Oh, I look more crazy. Okay, so after I eat, I probably turn the camera back on, and I am going to clean my room. So I'm gonna clean my room with me and all that stuff. So yeah, maybe clean up the kitchen, just straighten it up, run the dishwasher. I don't know. We'll see what I'm feeling today. Good morning. So today is the next day, and so far I went to Kroger to get some medicine because my congestion does not feel any better. I've lit more candles, cleaned up a little bit because my mother is coming to visit tomorrow. You don't want those problems. Okay, ignore this Mount Everest on my freaking face and the air fryer in the background because I am making dinner because I just got back from the gym. I'm in my robe, fresh shower, cleaned up, and some Crocs. And I wanted to show you guys what my fridge looks like because I'm kind of proud of my fridge right now. So I'll give you guys a little tour. And then also I'm making, it's Bibigo, Korean spicy chicken. I gotta thaw the sauce, and then it's beeping at me to turn it. So there's some leftover grease in there that I didn't clean out from my turkey bacon, but I don't really care. So that's gonna be that. That's the sauce. And then this is my fridge. This is the left side's mine, the right side's my roommate. So I have 2 boxes of liquid egg whites. I have some plant-based brownie batter, which is like basically cookie batter but chocolate, and this is plant-based. Some pre-made guacamole because I be lazy. 2 types of turkey. I prefer the natural, but I grabbed this blackened turkey this time. Some turkey bacon, some mangoes, eggs, kimchi, trying this pesto sauce. I got some Oreo pre-made Pillsbury cookies. These are new at my Kroger. So these are So Good So You shots, probiotic shots. So those are new. I have some coconut water for my smoothies, some spinach. This is new flavor that I'm trying. We'll see. This I like, but compared to the Stokes, not my favorite. My Brita filter. And I have these Alana new energy drinks. This flavor is pretty good. I don't really like the flavors, and I prefer the C4, but those were a gift. There's some more spinach and a sweet potato. Plant-based cheeses, onion, garlic, almond milk, and all of my condiments, and then some bacon bits and turkey pepperonis. Let's see. Plastic ware. Oh, the best. Plant-based Alfredo sauce. Almond butter. I'm trying this pumpkin butter. I haven't tried it yet. And then I got some of these to try because I like how they're single serving packs. So we will see. And then I don't really like oatmeal, but this was sounded so good. So strawberry and cream. Trying that out. Oh, and then I have some seaweed snacks up there. So I have some instant rice, some whole grain penne. I have one of these left. I prefer these because I could just heat them up. Some wraps, a can of tuna, some chips, some other open noodles, diced tomatoes, more bacon bits. I still need to make these. Have not made them, but we'll see. A bunch of bars. As you can see, I prefer Quest bars, but this Power Crunch with the wafers is pretty good. And I haven't tried this, but 1 gram of sugar and 20 grams of protein is usually what I go for. Yeah, because the Quest bars are the same thing. And then I have some jalapeno chips, and then y'all, these are so bomb. These honey habanero, so good. These are disgusting. That's why they're still in here. I have the chocolate chip version too. It's pretty gross. And then down here I have instant noodles because, I mean, I try to diet, but I'm Asian at the end of the day. Some on sale stuff in here. Some whole grain spaghetti. And then I wanted to try this because there are not many plant-based mac and cheeses that I actually like because I avoid dairy. And then I have my blender down there, and then some cranberry mango juice just in case I need. Oh, ignore the living room, it's dirty. Something to go with my Casamigo. Long time no see. I just woke up. It's noon. It's lunchtime. I'm having a coffee and a water. But I'm also having lunch, which is gonna be air fried chicken and some brown rice. I'm gonna show you guys that. And again, cleaning, because I don't know how my room gets to this point, but it doesn't. And then we might run some errands, so I'll keep you guys updated. And we'll see what happens. All right, let me show you guys what my room's like and what's for lunch. This, oh, nope. This is my room. There is just things all over the floor. So we have some air fried chicken with some brown rice, and I'm gonna watch some YouTube and eventually get some work done. Alright, so I just had lunch. My room's a mess again. Did I mess up my nail? Okay, good. I was gonna show y'all that I did my toe, so you know, even when I was getting cold, white toes. Hey y'all, long time no see. So today, me and my roommate, we had a little roommate day. So we went to the dollar store, we went to Marshall's, and then we also went to go get seafood, like a boil, crab and shrimp with the head on, extra spicy. Oh, so good. I got leftovers. I'm excited about that. And then we also went to Marshall's because I needed a few things and I was looking for a few candles, and I'm gonna show y'all. And I don't know if you've seen it on TikTok or Instagram, but you're gonna see it now. So first thing I got was this cute Halloween Monsters Inc. Thought that was cute. Plus it's funny because you know how Megan put the pumpkin over her head. I thought that was cute. This was on sale, so I got that. And then they're seamless, $10. Thought that was a good deal. Pro Fit's a brand medium. That's the back of them. So $5 a sports bra, not bad. I'm gonna save these for when I need them. So that's that. And then these are 2 candles. I don't know if y'all can read that. Focus. That shit says dinner roll, and it has a bunch of rolls on top. And it literally smells like bread. So if you know where I'm going with this, you know where I'm going with this. This one says mac and cheese. It has little macaroni noodles on it. This one smells like Kraft powdered cheese. It's wild. So I got those 2, and it's really strong too. So I got these 2 candles. The mashed potato one, I will admit y'all, I didn't get it because it was kind of a disappointment. It didn't taste like it didn't smell like anything. So I did not get it. Okay, so I know I look crazy again, but it's because I'm actually editing this video. I have on my Halloween shirt. So obviously this is my first vlog. It's a casual day, like college student casual day. Nothing too crazy. Like, I forget to bring my camera with me, so like I don't have a lot of outdoor shots, and I'm like anxious of being by myself and recording, so maybe I'll get there eventually. But let me know if you think. If it's boring, I'm so sorry, I tried. If it's boring and you guys don't like it, I won't do it anymore. Or I'll wait till it's an exciting week or something, I don't know. Honestly, I had some exciting things this week that I should have recorded, but fun fact about me, I'm always tired, I'm always late, and I'm always rushing. So I tend to, when I'm rushing, not grab the camera, set up, find a good angle, do all that stuff, and talk to the camera because I can barely do what I'm trying to do. Like, I had an interview this week, I had meetings this week, didn't record getting ready for any of those because barely got to those in time. Minutes to spare probably. So thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.